What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI, a leading research organization in the field of AI. This model is capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is part of OpenAI's GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series of language models, which are trained on massive amounts of text data to generate coherent and coherently structured outputs. The backbone of ChatGPT is a transformer architecture, which is a type of deep neural network designed for processing sequences of data, such as text. The model is trained using a massive amount of text data, where it is exposed to diverse forms of language, including news articles, books, and conversational data. This training enables the model to understand the structure of language and generate outputs that are coherent, semantically meaningful, and grammatically correct. ChatGPT has several applications, including text generation, conversation generation, and language translation. In text generation, the model can generate novel text based on the input it receives, such as a prompt or topic. In conversation generation, ChatGPT can engage in a back-and-forth dialogue with a user, answering questions, generating responses, and carrying out a conversation in a human-like manner. Language translation is another application, where the model can translate text from one language to another. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate coherent and fluent outputs based on the input it receives. This enables it to engage in conversation and answer questions with a high degree of accuracy, making it a valuable tool for various industries, including customer service, marketing, and education. Another strength of ChatGPT is its ability to handle a wide range of topics, from technical topics to more general knowledge. This is because the model is trained on a diverse range of text data, which enables it to understand and generate outputs on a wide range of topics. This makes it a valuable tool for businesses that want to provide answers and engage with customers on a wide range of topics. Despite its strengths, ChatGPT has its limitations. Like all AI models, it is only as good as the data it is trained on, and the biases present in the data can be reflected in the outputs generated by the model. Additionally, while ChatGPT can generate coherent and meaningful outputs, it may not always generate outputs that are factually accurate or culturally appropriate. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives, making it a valuable tool for various industries, including customer service, marketing, and education. Despite its limitations, the strengths of ChatGPT make it a valuable tool for businesses and organizations looking to engage with customers and generate text outputs in a human-like manner. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe my channel.